happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the 340. Hope you guys are all doing well, man. I'm doing great. Another day, another blessing. You already know how it goes. Oh, we got a little accident. Oh, okay. Y'all can't drive. Puta madre.
2,000 years later.
We're gonna hop directly into this video. You guys see the title. I told you guys I was going crazy with the 340. Before I even bought this car, I had plans to go big single on it. Is it the smartest decision? Probably not, but you know what? I'm just going with my gut with this one, and I just have to do it, bruh. Honestly, how the car is right now, it is the ultimate daily. At the end of the day, this is a Gen 1 on a hybrid. And you guys already seen this thing took the M4 for a walk. Going big single, we might have some hiccups, but I know at the end of the day, eventually we'll get it sorted out. At the same time too, we might put the kit on and no problems. So, I mean, that's, you know, fingers crossed. That's what we're hoping for. Never had a big single BMW. I know a lot of people would have loved to see me get like an N54, do a big single on it, but nah, I'm not messing with no N54s. I'm gonna play with these B58s and these S58s, and I'm just gonna call it a day. Like, I always wanted to do a big single B58. I just was like kind of unsure of exactly which car I wanted to do it on. I didn't want to do it on an M340. So the F30 just being Xdrive and just the overall price of the car and just price in general for Gen 1 stuff is cheaper than Gen 2. Obviously the Gen 2 is newer, so you're gonna see less problems with it. They have less miles. There's a few like internal things that are a little bit different, but at the end of the day, kind of the same. Oh, we got a little snack in front of us. All right. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, a hell of people ask me what kind of phone mount this is. HUMIXX. People come from my YouTube and DM me on Instagram to ask me what phone mount that is. I'm like, damn, y'all reaching. Oh, he had a 1320 sticker. What's happening? Pull up. He about that life. Oh, little Gen 1 R8. Did you know you're a snack? No matcha today. We on the light skin milk. So obviously we have the turbo kit back there, and we got a few other things back there. You're probably wondering what the hell is that. The box right here, that is the wrap. Finally, man, the wrap came in. So huge shout out to my guys over at Emilio Tone. I cannot wait to put this color on the 340. I think it's gonna look amazing. As you guys may know, I did just get this thing paint corrected, so a lot of people were probably like, well, what was the point of that? Honestly, the paint was just very bad. I had to do it. Even though I'm wrapping it, I just had to do it, because when I do take the wrap off, at least the paint's gonna be fresh. And don't worry guys, it's not Nardo. A lot of people honestly probably will not guess what color this is. So we got a new bumper going on, and then right here, we have some new side splitters. The ones I have on the car, they're cool. They just weren't like as aggressive as I wanted it to be. And we have something else, but I'm just gonna wait until the car is wrapped to show you guys that. Somewhat of a surprise. Full send with the F30. You know, there's been some people complaining like, oh bro, you're switching up, all you do is BMW content now. I'm gonna make content with whatever car runs. The Z is down right now, and I can't just snap my fingers and bring it back. The manifold's now in my possession, so all I have to do now, I gotta take the turbo off the car, I gotta send it back in, they're gonna rebuild it, do whatever they gotta do with it. Then I can't just put the turbo back on the car, I have to tow the car to my fabricator. We have to V-band it, place the turbo, make sure the turbo fits, and then the car will be ready to turn on at that point, and we could get it retuned. Well, yes, of course, I would love to make content with my Z, but I just can't right now. They're like, you want me to drive the car around on my feet? Before we even get to PQ and we get to the unboxing and all that good stuff, I want to give a huge shout out to Doc Race. Decided to go with their kit. I've heard nothing but good things, and I actually know him from a long time ago. He used to make turbo kits for Z's, and I think I was gonna go with his kit like a long time ago, but I ended up going a different route. So I reached out to him and chatted it up and was just like, yo man, what's good? Been hearing good things about your kit, so let's work. And we are full sending, guys. I did go with the top mount, so we are going big single top mount on the 340. Shit is gonna sound crazy, bro. If you guys haven't known by now, PQ actually got a new headquarters. They have a new shop location. They had it for a few months. They've just been doing remodeling and stuff like that, and they are now slowly like moving stuff over to the new shop. and that's where the car's going right now. But yeah, man, when I first started working with PQ, man, they were in an alley, bro. An alley in Southgate. If you guys don't know where Southgate is, I want to say it's like the hood, but not the hood. It's hood enough to be the hood. When I first pulled up to work with them, I'm like, man, I'm about to get robbed. They set me up, like, this is looking sketch. But everything was chill, man. Super cool guys. Since I've been working with them, I've just seen them kind of level up, and I just love to see it. Okay. Sheesh. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this Super is hard. It's cracking. What up, what up? Looks sick, bro. Looks good. Slam too? I'm here to go fast. It's not fast enough. Puta madre! What's up, G? They're bringing the dyno over here. Now look at it, man. They got a big ass headquarters over here. This shop is gonna be sick. All right, guys, there it is. Welcome to the new PQ headquarters. Look like a little BMW dealership, huh? We ain't gonna show too much. It's not done. They still, you know what I mean, still getting things together. But yeah, man, here it is. That's what I like to see. It's that Mama Huevo package right here.
What you got in there, man?
It's a blow up torta. Serio? I heard there's some fruta over here, fool. Fucking smacking. Almost on the J's, dog. Oh yeah. That shit buzzing. You know, I gotta clean up after your own mess. Yo, check this out. Heritage Edition. 1 out of 750. Manual. Individual. Laguna. This is hard. Like if I were to get like a F-Series M, this would be pretty sick. But me personally, I just like F80s a little more. But a Laguna F80, whoo, that's fire. I don't want to deal with the S55s. I'll keep my distance. There is no turning back, man. It's full send from here. I always do that. I literally always do that every time. God damn, 240 Airlines.
Hey, what up, Dad?
Sound like a V8. Sir, I think you need a smaller passenger. It's gonna rub. Welcome to all my hard work. These are actually all my cars. Talked to all the people that brought their cars here. I said I'll buy them out. I'm just gonna turn all those into drift cars. This one, V10 swap it. This is gonna be the daily. This is gonna be like a Texas 2K car. You know, we're gonna do a billet engine, billet manifold, billet valve cover, billet turbo, billet harness, billet charge pipe, billet car. The whole car is gonna be billet. This obviously a Heritage Edition. We gotta keep it OEM. In about 10 years, it's gonna be worth 1.5 million. And this one, I bought it from Dandy. He has too many hats. He don't know what to do with it, so. That thing sounds insane, bro. Bumper's not too bad, but yeah, like I was mentioning, we have a chunk. Yeah, hello? Yeah, so if anybody wants this bumper, I mean, it's not in bad shape. It just has that chunk missing. I don't know, 200 bucks. Slide in the DM, holla at me. If anybody wants this carbon hood, I'm actually gonna be selling it $850 for the hood. It's cool. I'm just gonna go with an aluminum one because I'm gonna wrap the whole thing anyways. All right, guys, while they're doing that, I'm just gonna open it up. I can't wait no longer. I need to see it. Then make sure everything is in here. Damn, that's some strong ass tape. Did Fresh Kicks get scammed? Yeah, that's some strong ass tape, I ain't gonna lie. I need a blade. Isn't it crazy? Like when you need something, it's never like you can never find it. But when you don't need it, it just pops up everywhere. Oh yeah, pa. Good looking, that. Crawling in my skin. Emo kicks. I'm so tired of life, bro.
Go with the flow, not against the flow.
Go with the flow. You have experience, huh? What we got first? This looks like a heat shield. That's what that looks like. Or you could turn it into a machete. Oh yeah. The chiropractors, they be using these and shit for their videos on TikTok. All right, so heat shield out the way. We got some paper. If you guys want to build a big lunch. This is like Christmas. I'm so excited. First time big single. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, that's the calling right there. When you hear that, I mean, it's Fresh Kicks coming with a big turbo, dog. This is charge pipe. Yes, I believe so. Charge pipe. This is a piece of the charge pipe or some kind of piping. Dude, I think the only thing we need to do is modify the compressor housing. I'm probably gonna have to call my boy come through and hook that up for me. Yeah. This is so exciting. So excited. If you guys need a single turbo kit, don't be shy, man. Holler at my guys over at Doc. Do not know what this is. I guess miscellaneous stuff, maybe fitting, stuff like that. All right, now we get into the good stuff, fam. Woo! Yeah. All right, guys. Here's the downpipe. This is what I was waiting for right here. Someone help! It's too much sauce. I can't lift it. That quality is bananas. I see you, Doc Race. I see you. My guy is really about to make the 340 go crazy. It's about to have 340 more horsepower, that's for sure. Yeah. Sit. Let me go. This ain't my turbo, but we gonna use it. All right, so this is not my turbo, but we are gonna be running the same size. This is the next gen. I'm just gonna run a Gen 2. I bought the one from the 240 over here. But this one is going on the 340. That one right there. I'm probably just gonna put a turbo blanket on it, and then I'm just gonna get the housing recoated. I bought that one from them, and then they bought this one for the 240. Obviously, the next gen is way better. Just even at the same boost, this thing makes a lot more power. Like, it's crazy, the difference. But that turbo is plenty, plenty enough power to blow that shit up. So we don't really need this. I mean, they technically don't need it either because this is a stock motor, but this just has a lot more capabilities with the same boost. Like I said, it's gonna be all the miscellaneous fittings and lines. Shout out to Doc Rays, man. They're not one of those companies that just sends you a manifold and that's it. We got gaskets for the turbo. Looks like the turbo drain, the feed. We got everything in here. Oh yeah. Couplers, clamps. Shout out to my guy Doc Race, man. My boy got me laced with everything. Only thing we need now is a tune. Damn, I feel like paparazzi right now. Yeah. Shit is nice, man. Bro, that looks crazy. You guys see that? That looks insane in there. Puta madre. Shout out to Doc Race, dog. We going fast. How dudes be in the gym. Ah! Ah! Fucking musclehead ass motherfuckers. There it is, dog. All right, guys. It's almost time to get up out of here, but before we do, show you guys the new side splitters. They're not too much different than mine. It's just a little more aggressive right here. Probably won't have the car for a couple weeks, but when it comes back, it's gonna be absolutely like brand new car. And then most likely I'm gonna just probably debadge it. Just no 340, no Xdrive. I just wanna let people wonder, what the fuck is that? Yeah, man, this is the new headquarters, well deserved. They definitely need the space, man. And as you can see, they pretty much already filled it up. There's still more cars at the other shop, so by the time all the other cars come over here, they're gonna be filled up already, so they're gonna need a bigger shop eventually. Well, guys, on that note, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Huge shout out to Doc Race. I will throw their Instagram down here. I will throw their website in the bio below. If you guys need a single turbo kit for your car, don't hesitate. Check out their products, hit them up. So far, the quality looks amazing. Can't wait to get it on the car. Like I said, I heard good things about the fitment and everything else, so it should be a breeze. Shouldn't be a hard install for them. And we're gonna be making some numbers soon. So on that note, guys, be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We out.